Hello, today I'm gonna change belt and wire weights for my Yamaha Xmax 2013. Careful. If you do first time, it's quite difficult to unscrew that screws. So we're gonna use PW40. It's easy. Hey! You see? Only with this you can unscrew that bolt. If it's worn out, you can feel here big step. And it's no big step, so it's good. Yeah? Strong. Oh. Going. Oh, you see some dust. This is getting good. Yes. Now once again. Opa. Yeah, belt is off. So let's examine and see what's the condition. Yeah, here looks not bad. Oh, you see? Yeah, it's old. And here, how it looks new belt. You see? Yeah, new belt. See, it's a gearbox, automatic gearbox. It's called variator. So now we're gonna open and see Whoa. Yeah, let's see what you got. Oh. And also, if you can see, here it's worn out. Here it's a flat surface, yeah? You see? It should be round. So I have to change those ones also. This is normal. When you're changing belt, you're changing on rollers. You're gonna be more sensible on acceleration. 16-17 gram. And this is only 12 gram. Same size, but this is heavier. I am washing with a petrol. So as you see, here the rollers was moving up and down here. See the marks. So now it's clean, and where is roller going, it must be clean. Because if it's some grease, then yeah, we put in here. If it's some grease, then it can be dust and start like sandpaper, sand the surfaces. So they're not gonna last for long. Make sure you're putting in a right position. Okay. Very good. Rubber goes on here. Here. And then this one. So I'm gonna put the grease here inside. And make sure you're pressing this and keeping pressed. Then you're holding, then you're turning, because the roller, the roller which is inside. Like example, this roller, yeah, should be like that. It should be in the right position like this, and it's rolling. If you not hold here, the roller can go sideways like that. Very good. And then go this one. Yes, 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 yeah. It's in. Ha 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 ha. La 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 la. Yeah, it's in. Very good. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Now you see the belt is loose. But when I start, the belt's gonna go in the right position. So let's start and see how it goes. Yeah, looking good. Now, test drive.